Okay, we've made black garlic, and we started the process by wrapping garlic in cellophane plastic and then in aluminum foil. And we placed them in a Ronco dehydrator for 43 days. The temperature never went above 133 degrees. And when we pull them out today, you see this beautiful black garlic. It's almost like a paste, actually, and the taste is fantastic. It's like citrusy, bittersweet, kind of hints of sugar in it. It's fantastic. I know it's good for marinades, good for spicing up your food. It's good for just taking one per day if you're a diabetic. It's high in antioxidants, and it's just wonderful. It's delicious. The process is slow, but it's very well worth your while. And here it is so that you can make your own black garlic. It's fantastic. Okay, we've made black garlic, and we started the process.